tell us what we have going on here today that we're going to be incorporating into this class.
Okay, so what we have going on here is a very high vibrational string instrument, tambura, and then the drone instrument, harmonium, that we use as to add the pool of resonant sound that's helping the mind and the body to relax a little more.
I'm relaxed just listening to you. Like literally,
Yeah,
I'm
she has
like,
a very soft
you
tone.
do, like I'm already like, is this the class? Have we begun? Because I'm like relaxed.
She's almost like a hypnotist.
It is, I'm like, Romy,
Yeah.
keep going. Cool,
I'm gonna
okay.
be barking like a dog at the end of the class. She's gonna have some code word and then bark. That's what's gonna happen.
Restorative yoga is a series of long holds, of poses where you surrender to gravity. It invites rest and enables us to slow down our mind, our breath, our body.
That sounds wonderful because we just kicked off this new show and we're both a little bit stressed. So everything you're saying, I'm like, give me more. Meg, be love, let's do this thing.
Let's get rest. So
Yes, I
it
love
doesn't,
this.
so forgive my ignorance here, but like Pilates, don't they want to hold for a long time? Isn't that kind of the thing we're doing, or is this completely different?
Yeah, this is like super lazy adult napping.
This is
Yes.
perfect for me. Where have you been my whole life?
Yeah, wow.
Right here.
Yeah,
Things are happening.
I love this.
Yeah.
Use your conscious awareness to feel your breath. Moving in through the nostrils. You can create whatever noise you like. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, release.
Why did I take this job with Lee?
Take another breath in. Exhale, release. Relax. Any to-do lists or tasks. Stretch your arms up towards the sky. As you exhale, bring your hands, your palms to center, down to your heart. Let's do that again. Inhale.
It's like he's not even trying.
And then exhale your right fingertips to the side as you just stretch your left side arm. Inhale, arms sweep up and take it over to the left side. Right hand on left knee. Right arm behind you. You got this.
No.
Inhale, tall. And then slowly, shoulders over the elbows. Bring yourself down onto the bolster and maybe gaze to the left. You can take a blanket in between your knees if you'd like for comfort.
Hello.
You can gaze to the right for a
How are you?
stretch.
Oh! Someone's not taking this class seriously, and it is ruining the benefits for me.
I like this song. This is the beginning of Zeppelin. The guitar kicks in a minute, and then John Bonham just blows it out. Is she singing in and out? This music is relaxing, but if it was in a dark castle, it would sound like the beginning when Dracula awakes. Nosferatu.
Bring your bottom up to the bolster and legs here.
I have a distinct pain in my back, and it's laying to my left. Namaste. All right, well, this closing time though, girls. I guess we'll head out. Okay. Oh man.